Hello children, welcome back to maths class. So today we are going to do the exercise problems in your textbook, page number 64, exercise 4. Okay, so let's start the class children. Okay, so first question. Read the question children. The cost of a motorcycle is rupees 42,850 and the cost of a scooter is rupees 28,350. What is the total cost of both the vehicles? So, it is a word problem. So, we want to write the steps. So, how we are writing the steps? First, we want to check the facts given in the question. So, what are given here? The cost of a motorcycle is given. First, the cost of a motorcycle. So, we can write cost of a motorcycle is equal to what is given here? Rupees 42,850. Okay, so it is given in the question. Next, what is given? And the cost of a scooter. So, cost of a scooter is also given. So, we can write the second step now. Cost of a scooter. Cost of a scooter is rupees 28,350. Okay. Okay. Then what we want to find? What is the total cost of both the vehicles? We want to find the total cost. We want to find the total cost means we want to find the sum. We want to add both the cost and we want to find the sum. Okay. So total cost means cost of motorcycle plus cost of scooter. We want to add both the cost and find the answer. That is the total cost. Okay. So the total cost is equal to cost of motorcycle plus cost of scooter. It is given now 42,850 plus 28,350. Okay, so we can add and find the answer. It is given. I will add here children. 42,850 plus 28,350. Okay, how we are adding? We want to add the digits in the ones place first. Okay, so in the ones place we have 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 itself. 0. Next, what is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. So in 10 we want to write 1 here. In 10 we want to write 0 here and 1 as carryover. Okay. Next, in the hundreds place, which are the digits we have? 8 and 3. What is 8 plus 3? It is 11 and 11 plus 1, 12. So in 12, we want to write 2 here and 1 as carryover. Okay. Next, in the thousands place here we have 2 and 8. What is 2 plus 8? It is 10 and 10 plus 1, 11. So we want to write 1 here and 1 as carryover. Next in 10,000 place the digits are 4 and 2. What is 4 plus 2? It is 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. So this is the answer. We can put comma also. So here the total cost is 71,200. Okay. Understood children how we find the answer? So here the given facts we want to write as first steps. Then we want to find what we want to find, that is total cost. Total cost, then we can add and find the answer. Okay, okay children. Next we are going to do the second problem. Okay, so read the question children. A factory manufactured 72,584 locks in 2013 and 37,846 locks in 2014. How many locks did the factory manufacture in the 2 years? Okay, so what are the facts given here? A company manufactured this much logs in 2013. So our first step is number of logs manufactured in 2013. How many? It is given 72,584. Okay, it is given. Next, and this much logs in 2014. So the second step will be number of logs manufactured in 2014. It is given 37,846. Okay, next we want to find how many logs did the factory manufacture in the 2 years. That is total number of logs manufactured in 2 years. What we want to do? We want to add the number of logs manufactured in each year. That is number of logs manufactured in 2013 plus number of logs manufactured in 2014 to get the total number of logs. Okay children, so total number of logs manufactured is equal to how many? 72,584 plus 37,846. You want to add and find the answer. I will do it here children. It is 72,584 plus 37,846. 846. Okay, so you want to add from the ones place. In the ones place here we have 4 and 6. What is 4 plus 6? It is 10. So in 10 we want to write 0 here and 1 as carryover. Next, 8 plus 4. What is 8 plus 4? It is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So you want to write 3 here and 1 as carryover. Next, what is 5 plus 8 children? What is 5 plus 8? It is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So you want to write 4 here and 1 as carryover. Next, what is 2 plus 7? 2 plus 7 is, what is 2 plus 7 children? 9. And 9 plus 1? 9 plus 1? 10. So we want to write 0 here and 1 as carryover. Next, what is 7 plus 3? It is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 1, 11. So we want to write 11 here. We can put comma also now. Okay, so the answer is 1,10,430. We can write the answer here. 1,10,430. Okay, understood how we find the answer? We will do one more problem children. So here read the question, third one. The number exceeds 8,76,543 by 12,345. Find the number. Okay, listen carefully children. The question, a number exceeds. Exceeds means more than. Okay, exceeds 8,76,543 by 12,345. That means the given number is this. The given first, the initial given number is this, and the more than means ഈ നമ്പറിനോട് ഇത് കൂടുതൽ. Exceeds means this ഈ നമ്പറിനോട് given നമ്പറിനോട് ഇത്രയും 12,345 കൂടുതൽ. Okay, then we want to find the answer. That means what we want to do? Look here children. If I am telling 5 more than 2. 5 more than 2. What will be the answer? Answer will be 2 plus 5. 5 more than 2 means 2നേക്കാളും 5 കൂടുതൽ. No. So how we are finding the answer is 2 plus 5, that is 7. Same way here exceeds means more than. The given number is given. It exceeds by 12,345. That means we want to add 12,345 to this initial given number and find the answer, find the total. Okay, so we can write the steps now. Here the initial number given is 8,76,543. Then given number exceeding with endoram kududal exceeding with 12,345. Okay, then find the number. How we are finding the number? We want to add these two numbers. Okay, that is 8,76,543 plus 12,345. Okay, so we can add here. That is 8,76,543 plus it is 12,000. The starting digit is in 10,000 place. So we want to start from here. The 10,000 place, that is 12,345. Okay. Okay, children. Then we can add now. What is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then next 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is again 8. Then here what is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. Then 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is again 8. Then 8. There is no number here. So we can write down 8 here. So it's a very interesting number now. So we can put the comma also. So what's the number here, children? 8,88,888. Okay, children. Understood how we can find the answer? So in exercise 4, we have done 3 questions. 2 more questions are there. That too, you can do it as homework, children. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.